Hello guys, welcome back. Here we are going to discuss analysis of algorithms. Assume that we have two algorithms for a task. We have to find out which one is better. In general way to do this, implement both the algorithms and run the two programs on your computer for different inputs and see which one takes less time. Assume that first algorithm takes 5 seconds to execute and second algorithm takes 7 seconds to execute. Now tell me which one is better one. Do you think first algorithm is better than second one? We could not say like that at this stage because there are many problems with this approach for analysis of algorithms. It might be possible that for some input, first algorithm performs better than second, and for some input, second performs better. It might be also possible that for some inputs, the first algorithm performs better on one machine and second algorithm works better on another machine for some other inputs. Asymptotic analysis is the great idea that handles this kind of issues while analyzing an algorithm. In asymptotic analysis, we evaluate the performance of the algorithm in terms of input size, which means we don't measure the actual running time. We calculate how does the time or space taken by algorithm increases of input size. For example, let's consider the search problem in a sorted array. Means we have an array which is having an element in sorted order. We can do a linear search or binary search. We will talk about the linear search and binary search in more detail later on this course. But to understand this example, as of now, you just know that linear search complexity is n and binary search complexity is log n. In the last example I used for calculating the complexity is linear search. Okay, fine. To understand how asymptotic analysis solve the problem while analyzing the algorithms, let's consider we run the linear search on a faster computer and binary search on a slower computer. For small value of input array size n, the faster computer may take less time. But after certain value of input array size, that is if it increases to 1000 or 10,000 elements, the binary search will definitely start taking less time compared to the linear search, even though the binary search is being run on slower machine. The reason is the order of growth of binary search with respect to input size logarithmic, means log n, while the order of growth of linear search is linear.